Show that the points minus 2, 5, 3, minus 4 and 7, 10 are the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle. So here I'll consider it as A minus 2, 5, B 3, minus 4, C 7, 10 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So what I'll do in this problem, I'll find all the three distances AB. See, triangle, it's a right angle triangle. So we don't know which one is hypotenuse, which side is hypotenuse. So I'll find three sides distance and then I'll apply Pythagoras theorem. So what I'll do, I'll square all of them. And after squaring, if I'll add any two sides, if I'll get the third one, suppose AB square plus BC square, if I'll get AC square, then it is a right angle triangle and hypotenuse is AC. So first I'll find the distance. Distance of AB, A minus 2, 5, B 3, minus 4, and distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this formula I'll use it here. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So AB x2 minus x1, so 3 minus, and again if you'll see x1 it's minus, so 3 plus 2 whole square, y2 minus 4 minus 5 whole square. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 square minus 9 square. So 5 square is 25, 9 square is 81. So it is 106 units. Now I'll find BC. B 3, minus 4, C 7, 10. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now BC distance under root x2 7 minus 3 whole square plus y2 10 minus of minus, it is plus 4. So 10 plus 4 whole square. 7 minus 3 is 4 square. 10 plus 4 is 16 square. So here 16 plus 256. Sorry, here 10 plus 4, 14 square. 14 square is 196. So it is 212. Now I'll find AC. A is minus 2, 5. C is 7, 10. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Now AC under root x2 minus x1, 7 minus of minus 2, so it will become 7 plus 2 whole square, and 10 minus 5 whole square. So this is 9 square and this is 5 square. 81 plus 25, which is 106 units. This is 212 units. Now I'll square all of them. So this is AB, this is BC, and this is AC. So if I'll square AB square, square and root will get cancelled. 106 whole square. So AB is 106. In the same way, if we'll square BC square, so root 12 whole square, so it is 212 units square. And AC square, so AC square is here root 106 whole square, so 106. AC square is 106. Now here, see, if I'll add, clearly I can see that if I'll add this 106, 106, these two if I'll add, I'll get 212. So here AB square plus AC square equals BC square, because this is 106, this is also 106, which is 212. So 212 equals 212. So in a right angle triangle, so here hypotenuse will be like BC, right angle will be at A, because AC is root 106, AB is root 106, and this is 212. According to Pythagoras theorem, or converse of Pythagoras theorem, you can say, in a triangle, if a square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is 90. So here it is right angle at A. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, and right angled at, you can write at -2, 5.